So, hi dear Taurus, very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot and this is a no contact reading for all the Taurus Sun, Moon, Venus rising from 10 till the 16th of Feb. The roles can be reversed also. The action can be from your side also. If not resonating, not your story. Want to be a reader like me or want to have personal readings or healing sessions? You can check out the description box for the links. For the best healing modality of the whole universe, Ho'oponopono, the masterclass link is given below in the description. That's life changing for sure. I am doing it from a very long time, so I can assure you that. Now let's see what we have. Taurus, the person that you are in no contact or no communication with, their current feelings for you right now at this present moment are we have the Devil, the Chariot, the Two of Cups. This person is obsessed with you. Yeah, they're obsessed with you. They're obsessed with the idea of being with you. They can't stop thinking about you, Taurus, and they're trying their best to move on from this obsession and find their love, find their happiness somewhere else. Maybe they're creating third parties just to distract themselves. Maybe they're just in this energy of not wanting to be with you. It's like they're suffering from inside where they continuously want to be with you but they don't want to be with you. That is why this person is trying their best to distract themselves with the maybe alcohol, maybe other people, maybe other situations, multiple distractions, right, in multiple ways, but they feel a deep rooted connection between you and them, no matter what's going on outside of them. They are obsessively obsessed with the idea of being with you and they're not liking it at all. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them, honey? We have the Ten of Cups, the Lovers, and the Page of Cups. Their intention is just to be happy, with or without you. Their intention here is to find somebody with whom they are going to find the happiness the way they used to feel happy with you at some point of time. So they are open to the idea of being with somebody else, right? Okay, so that somebody else should also give them the kind of happiness, the kind of safety and security and stability the way you used to do it in the past when you were with them. So basically this person wants to find another you, even if it is with somebody else, doesn't matter, because they know their obsession is unhealthy, their wish is unhealthy, their desire is kind of making them cry, making them feel miserable, and they don't want to feel like that. So they are ready to distract themselves with whatever they can, and they just want that kind of happiness that you gave them at some point of time with somebody else. As of now, it's not desire to be with you only. They are looking for that happiness, that space, that energy that you gave them at some point of time. Wow, I don't. Let's see what action is this person going to take towards you till the 16th of Feb, Taurus. We have the Ten of Swords, the Ace of Wands, the Ace of Swords. So this person is definitely going to connect with you. Why am I saying definitely? Because they have tried multiple times to not to. And then boom, they are going to be like, okay, let me clear the air with Taurus once. They might start a fight with you. They might start an argument with you. But whatever it is, because they're feeling so defeated within themselves because of whatever happened and you're not giving a damn about this, they're feeling defeated. And this person definitely wants to have you by their side, but they don't know how to do that. They don't know what to say to you. They don't know how to react to the situation. So they might end up starting a fight with you. I don't see this person coming with apology, coming with heartfelt kind of energies. They're coming with you, coming towards you with this kind of energy. How the hell they are so happy without me? Let me disturb Taurus. That's the energy. Now it's up to you. You're going to entertain this person or not. For you, the guidance here is Four of Wands. Stay stable, humble and grounded. Stay committed to your own energies. Stay committed to what you know is not good for you and what you know is good for you. Basically, stay in tune with your own power, stay in tune with your own energies. If you feel this person, this energy is not good for you, by all means, keep this person and this energy away from you as much as you can. Don't let this person disturb or ruin your peace in any way. Yeah? Cool. Promise? Yeah. So thank you so much for tuning in, Taurus. I will see you soon in the next video. Bye-bye. Take care. God bless you. Namaste.